Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make these beautiful nails. First, you want to have the size that you're going to be applying to your nails, and then apply them to your little checker stand, chest stand, whatever you want to call it, stand. Then you want to get rid of the shine from the nail. I use this e-filer because that's just what I like using. You can just use the regular filer if you like. I believe you're supposed to use a buffer, so no, not a filer. Use a buffer. This is optional, but I do like applying pH bond for a strong hold. Then you want to go ahead and apply your gel of choice. I like to apply the gel to each nail because of the kind of gel that I am using. It's a little, I really don't like it, but it kind of, like when it sits out after a while, it kind of make it a lot easier for me to get it to work how I need it to work.
I'm always bleeding or burning or both. I'm always.
Once you've applied your gel to all of your nails, you can throw that bad boy up on in the what do you call this thing? The lamp, so that it cures, and you set it and forget it. Once it's cured, we can remove the sticky tackiness that's caused by the gel, so that we can file and shape it up to our liking.
Seemingly ready to go. Paint your eye pretty white was red. Crimson all over the floor in the bed. You said, enjoy yourself, destructive. Maybe you're a wild ride. I know, baby, I know. Can I get a recheck?
Now file and shape it up to your likings. I like to use the e-filer first and then go in with the filer, the hand filer, and shape it up even more. That's just what works for me. Yeah. Now it's time to get to the fun part and start coloring these nails. I purchased this gel polish from AliExpress. I'll try to link it in the description section below this video. I went ahead and applied a second coat. With this kind of polish, 2 coatings is perfect. I'm using this no wipe gel polish as my top coat to top it off. Then I'll add the stones.
Come home just yet. I'm sitting there trying to call.
To apply the stones, I will be using this gem gel that I got this for free with something that I ordered, and then I ended up ordering another one. I don't know why, because this thing is like $19, but I ended up purchasing another one. And here's what it looks like after applying, after curing it. The stones that are already on the nails, they're not cured yet. I just had it laid out to make it easier. But this is the finished look now that they're all cured and unmovable. This is the finished product. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this look. This is like one of my, I just started doing this because I don't know, I just like doing pretty things. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you've made it this far into the video, please do me the biggest favor and thumbs up this video, because it does help me out here on YouTube. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Catch you in my next video.